This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites so you avoid chasing ghosts. Make sure battery is above 20% and cellular data is enabled. Next, toggle airplane mode off on, then off again to reset the radios quickly. This often clears transient modem issues. Then check your carrier plan and APN settings to ensure tethering is allowed. If the plan blocks hotspot, nothing else will work. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and proceed to hotspot configuration. Now you configure the hotspot and validate connections. Set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password of at least 8 characters so devices can connect securely. If some clients struggle, force the hotspot to 4 GHz because range and compatibility are better versus 5 GHz. Make sure DHCP is enabled or assign a static IP on the client to avoid conflicts. Once devices appear, check internet access and run a quick speed test to confirm data flow. Finish by stabilizing the connection. Restart both the phone and the client device to apply all changes, which clears cached conflicts. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone to restore default radios and APN entries, but note this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks. Finally, if you still see errors, gather error codes and modem logs and contact your carrier so they can check provisioning. Doing this helps them diagnose account or tower issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.